Wagwan, what's great? Chef here, John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make guacamole. Yeah, man, I
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash away.
Guacamole is one of many different condiments that one would use when you're eating nachos. However, you are in luck because I'm going to be showing you how to make the ultimate nacho bowl. But first, I'm going to show you how I prepare the different condiments that goes with it. Guacamole being one. So without further delay, forward, let me show you how I go. So we're going to go in with some avocados that has already been washed. First thing you want to do, just want to cut it like this, right around. Just remove the seed. So now we're just going to pour that out with a spoon. We're just going to repeat this until we get all the avocados cored. So just like that. What you want to do at this point is to add half teaspoon of salt and pepper to that. Just going to break that up with your fork. So we kind of get like the flavor of the salt and pepper in there from the get-go. Alright, got it down to that. Just gonna set this aside. Gonna chop ourselves 2 garlic cloves. So I'm gonna be using 1/4 of a medium size red onion. Hold it firmly. Just chop. There you have it. We have the onion finely diced. And I'm gonna go in with half tomato. This size is ideal for me. Don't want them any smaller. Diced tomatoes is optional if you don't want to use it. Just gonna squeeze the excess juice from our tomatoes. Get the juice from half lime or lemon. Just enough to get some tanginess going on. Gonna add half more teaspoon of salt and pepper mix. Just mix that up. And there you have it, how to make your homemade guacamole here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.